Let's come and we will make a yummy pizza. First, take 3 bread slices. Add 3/4 cup milk. Now add 1 egg. 1 cup semolina, soji. 1/2 spoon sugar. 1/2 spoon salt. 1/8 spoon food grade soda. And now mix well. Keep for 10 minutes. And take 1/2 cup chicken, 1/2 spoon chili powder, 1/2 spoon coriander powder, 1/4 spoon salt, 1/4 spoon pepper powder, 1/2 spoon ginger garlic paste, 1/2 spoon soya sauce. And now mix well. Now cook the chicken at least 5 minutes in the 1 spoon oil what we mixed with ingredient salt, chili, coriander powder, and ginger garlic paste, and keep it side. Now bring that what we mix with milk and bread slices. Pour the mixture in the pan and cook for 5 to 7 minutes at low heat. Flip it and add tomato ketchup, mozzarella cheese, cooked chicken, onion, capsicum, and cook for 5 minutes again. Wow, our yummy pizza is ready. Please like and share the video.